Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you wanna make these slides? Let me show you how to make them. First, be sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, add a rectangle onto the slide like this. Now go to shape fill and change its color. I'm using eyedropper. Now go to shape format and give it a gradient of gray. Now add a rectangle right here like this. Go to shape fill and change its color to gray. Now remove its outline, give it a shadow. There you go. Now go to shape format and change these following settings. Now you have to add another rectangle, but it have to be a rounded cornered rectangle right here. Move it to the left, duplicate it 3 times, move them side by side, put them in order. There you go. Now change each of its color. I'm using pink and brown and blue and purple. There you go. Now let's give both the shapes preset and shadows. That's it. Now you have to put them in order of the layers. Select all of them, go to shape format and remove their outline. Give it the same preset. Now add a text box right here. Add one in it, increase its size, change its font, put it right here and copy and paste it like this. Change all of their colors as the rectangles have the colors. I'm gonna select this text and I'm also gonna copy it and paste it onto my slide. Now I'm gonna adjust it according to the slide size. Let's move this down here and this one to the right and a little bit down. Now copy the icons and now paste them. Now duplicate the slide and you have to select the text icon and this rectangle of each and you have to merge them. Give them preset and shadow and bevel. I'm gonna group the text and the icon. Select all of those and align them to center. Move them to the right side right here. Give morph transition. There you go. This is the final result. Be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to comment down to let us know of your thoughts.